In June 2024, battery energy storage systems in ERCOT earned average revenues of $45 per kilowatt annualized. This was an 85% decrease from June 2023. This was largely due to the addition of around 9 gigawatts of newly installed solar capacity and 27% higher average wind generation from June 2023 to June 2024. This meant that the daily average peak net load in ERCOT decreased, despite actual demand increasing over this time period. On top of this, the total installed rated power of batteries in ERCOT more than doubled year over year, and this meant increased competition in ancillary service markets. In fact, average ancillary service clearing prices decreased by 83% from June 2023 to June 2024. And this led to higher participation in energy arbitrage, which made up 28% of battery revenues in June 2024 compared to just 11% the year before. And if we look at Moto Energy's projection of battery revenues since June, this trend of lower summer earnings continued into July and August. And this means that average revenues for batteries in ERCOT in 2024 will almost certainly end up far lower than the record-breaking values we saw in 2023. As always, we'll keep you updated as things evolve. Thanks for watching.